So ayan mga kamotoroli, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating fuel pump assembly. Ayan, fuel pump assembly ng ating Honda Click 125. Ayan guys, palit gas filter na tayo guys. 12,000 kilometers. Need to replace gas filter or fuel filter. Sabayan nyo lang ng fuel pump o-ring. Ayan guys, ito yung fuel pump o-ring or o-ring fuel pump. Ayan. Ayan, screenshot guys sa code number. Ayan. Fuel pump assembly ng ating version 2 Honda Click. Ayan guys. Ayan lang guys, magandang araw po sa lahat. Ride safe everyone and peace out mga kamotoroli.